Let's make a group chat on your iPhone. Now, if you wanted to chat with other people with iPhones or Androids, you can always create that group chat. I'll show you how to do it and how to change the name, how to add the cover photo, any of those different things. Of course, the first step is just to open up iMessage here, and we'll tap on the little pencil and paper at the top right. Now, the first thing that we'll want to do is we'll just want to start typing in names or phone numbers of whoever we want to be in that group chat. So I'm going to type in somebody's name here, and then I'm going to type in another one, and then another one, and say this is the group chat that I want to make. So I want to make it with these 3 different people. I can always just say hi in here. And then now if I wanted to change the name of this group chat, I can always just tap the people's profiles at the very top here. And then at the top, it says change name and photo. So I can tap on that. I can choose a specific photo that I want to represent that entire group, or I can just name it, enter in an emoji, whatever. But I can just say, hey, this is my family. And I just want a picture of a smiley face as the picture. So you can always do that and then just hit done here. And then done again. And now you have created this group chat. You've named it. You've added that profile picture, all of those different things. And of course, you can always go in here, see who's in there, leave the conversation if you want to leave it. You can do all sorts of different things to basically customize and interact with this group however you want. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.